KSA and AKA holds a joint rally at Umkermi, urges government early solution to border issues. The 40th annual conference of the KABF concluded in Langprodingpi. Welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. You're with Jirbon Kilingpi with the latest news for today. And now, the news in details. From a long time, there has been tension rising in the Assam-Meghalaya border time and again. However, even after the repeated raising of voice by the local residents, neither the Government of Assam nor the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council has given enough attention to solve the issues prevailing in the area. Taking full advantage of the long and continued neglect by both the state government of Assam as well as the local council, the Meghalaya administration has been repeatedly violating the interstate border rules. Frustrated over this, the Karbi Students Association and the Ahoy Kachingthur Amai had jointly held a protest dharna at Umkermi under the Amreng MAC constituency. During the dharna, a rally was also organized which was attended by thousands of people from the locality. Through the protest dharna, the KSA and the AKA had placed a 6-point demand charter before the authority. Among these demands, the organizations demanded that the border demarcation should be firmly in accordance with the boundary line made in 1951 and that a border police station should be immediately set up at Khatkhasla and an outpost be set up at Mukro. Acknowledging the fact that many of the voters in the border areas have their names in the voters list of both Assam and Meghalaya, the protester has demanded the government of both the states for a joint probe into the serious issue of people illegally holding dual voter IDs of both states through Election Commission officials. Further, the KSA and AKA demanded setting up of an entry gate in the interstate border. In addition to this, they had demanded the government of Assam and Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to take decision to stop opening of schools by private parties in the border areas.
আজি আমি ইয়াত উমকিৰমি অঞ্চলত বিশেষকৈ কাৰ্বি ছাত্ৰ সন্থা আৰু আহৈ কাচিংথৰ আমাই বুলি দুটা সামাজিক সংগঠন লগ হৈ পেলাই বৰ্ডাৰ প্ৰটেকশ্যন ৰেলী আমি যৌথভাৱে অনুষ্ঠিত কৰিছোঁ কাৰণ বিগত কেইবা বছৰ ধৰি আমি এইটো দেখি আহিছোঁ যে আমাৰ চুবুৰীয়া মেঘালয় ৰাজ্যই বাৰে বাৰে কাৰ্বি আংলং তথা অসমৰ মেঘালয়ৰ যিটো আন্তঃৰাজ্যিক মানে সীমা সেই সীমা তেওঁলোকে বাৰে বাৰে উলংঘন কৰা আমি দেখি আহিছোঁ গতিকে আমাৰ মূল দাবী হ'ল আৰু আমাৰ এই আজি ৰেলীৰ জৰিয়তে আমি অসমৰ মুখ্যমন্ত্ৰী ডাঙৰীয়া আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাছ কাউন্সিলৰ যিজন মুখ্য কাৰ্যবাহী সদস্য আৰু HAD মিনিষ্টাৰ বা আমাৰ লোকেল MP তেওঁলোকক আমি জনাই দিব খুজিছোঁ যে আপোনালোকে অসমৰ ভূখণ্ড ৰক্ষা কৰাৰ লগতে 1951 চনত 13 এপ্ৰিলত আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং জিলা গঠন কৰাৰ সময়ত যিটো নটিফিকেশ্যন জাৰি কৰা হৈছিল আমাৰ বৰ্ডাৰৰ ক্ষেত্ৰত সেই বৰ্ডাৰ যাতে অলপো ইফাল সিফাল নহয় তাৰ কাৰণে আমি আজি এই ৰেলী অনুষ্ঠিত কৰিছোঁ আমাৰ সীমাটো ঠিক ঠাক থাকিব লাগে একৰ্ডিং টু 1951 13 এপ্ৰিল গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট নটিফিকেশ্যন আৰু আমাৰ দ্বিতীয় দাবীটো হ'ল যে আমাৰ কাৰ্বি আংলং তথা অসম আৰু মেঘালয়ৰ যিটো সীমা সেই সীমাটো সুৰক্ষিত কৰিবৰ কাৰণে একজেক্ট যিটো বৰ্ডাৰ লাইন উমটাং ৰিভাৰ বুলি আছে আমাৰ খাছখাছলাৰ ওচৰত গতিকে খাছখাছলাত 2020 চনত অসম চৰকাৰৰ তৰফৰ পৰা বৰ্ডাৰ প্ৰটেকশ্যন এণ্ড ডেভেলপমেণ্ট ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্ট গভৰ্ণমেণ্ট অফ আছাম 12 জুন 2020 এটা নটিচ তেওঁলোকে নটিফিকেশ্যন উলিয়াইছে যে খাছখাছলাত মানে পুলিচ ষ্টেচন তেওঁলোকে বনাব লাগে গতিকে একৰ্ডিং টু অসম চৰকাৰৰ সেইটো মানে নটিফিকেশ্যনৰ আধাৰত তেওঁলোকে খাছখাছলাত অতি সোনকালে মানে বৰ্ডাৰ পুলিচ বৰ্ডাৰত পুলিচ ষ্টেচন তেওঁলোকে বনাব লাগে আৰু আমাৰ তৃতীয় দাবী হ'ল মুক্ৰত বৰ্ডাৰ পুলিচ আউটপোষ্ট তেওঁলোকে বনাব লাগিব আৰু ইয়াত ডাঙৰ এটা সমস্যা হৈছে কি মেঘালয়ৰ মানে ভোটাৰ লিষ্টত আমাৰ অসম তথা কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ ভোটাৰসকলৰ নাম মেঘালয় ভোটাৰ লিষ্টতো তেওঁলোকে নাম থকা তেনেকুৱা বহুত শুনা পাইছোঁ গতিকে ব'থ দ্য ষ্টেট গভৰ্ণমেণ্টক আমি এইটো অনুৰোধ কৰিব খোজোঁ যে তেওঁলোকে ষ্টেট ইলেকশ্যন কমিশ্যন অফ মেঘালয়া আৰু অসমৰ যিটো মানে ৰাজ্যিক নিৰ্বাচনী আয়োগ যৌথভাৱে তেওঁলোকে জইণ্টলি ভোটাৰ ভেৰিফিকেশ্যন তেওঁলোকে কৰিব লাগিব আৰু আমি ক'ব খুজিছোঁ যে বৰ্ডাৰ পিলাৰ তাৰপাছত বৰ্ডাৰ এণ্ট্ৰি গেট তেওঁলোকে মেঘালয় আৰু কাৰ্বি আংলঙৰ যিটো মূল সীমা খাছখাছলা তেওঁলোকে বৰ্ডাৰ এণ্ট্ৰি গেট তেওঁলোকে বনাব লাগিব
The protesting bodies say that if at all there was land available for starting a school, it should be done by the government. Organizations also pointed to the fact that within an area 70 square kilometers between Jirikindeng and Pelangpi, there is not even a single good provincialized school, which has become a big drawback for education in the area. Moreover, the protesting bodies had demanded the government's emphasis on health facilities in the border areas. The memorandum, including the Charter of Demands, was addressed to the Chief Minister of Assam, Sarbananda Sonowal. Among the top KSA leaders present in the protest was advisor Sarsing Ingling and former Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Jotson Bay. Mohan Teron from Pelangpi and Samsing Inti from Jirikindeng, Karbi Anglong Live. The 40th annual conference of the Karbi Anglong Baptist Fellowship was concluded at Langpro Dingpi Baptist Church on Sunday evening. The 40th annual conference of the KABF began on Friday evening at Langpro Dingpi Baptist Church, around 8 kilometers from Chokihola block under the Nilip MAC constituency. The theme for this year was taken from the book of Matthew chapter 24 verse 44. During the conference, speakers comprising of KABF President Reverend John Terang, Evangelist John Tokbi, Medical Officer Dr. Jonathan Terang, Local Pastor Babu Singnar, and KABF Secretary Philip Taro delivered a message on the year's theme to the congregation. Apart from the regular service, a medical awareness program was also held, during which Medical Officer Dr. Jonathan Terang conducted checkups and offered medical counseling and free medicines for common illnesses.
Nitum Karbi Anglong Baptist Fellowship lagi CBHEC ahubha ani itu mondli sirkep nona madolo lapen aroarim nitum dola lapen nitum ka establish mate ke seng anikan lake ro presir kebra sognar keb anikan si nitum seng lo asi ason wang bom si dak pang tikro rong along nikan kep ke chok hut nitum dak recording pi kusia mondli amen irlo aso mondli long pininga bangke bipon lo asi niri tumat happy en lo hala mathio sangding ping kora pli anding sop dikera pli long pen nang lijok ta chi sig not puson sigipu labang so lam ke lapo hen lo jisu wang thuji uthot wang thuji aso ke wang thuji long kidun long je phan abang phutin ta chi sig nanggi asini tum towe pen je than lo jisu wang ji polotang te ang thek do asi towe ta ing thek throksi ni tum che than lo la ke Jobaya Kristo wangji ke ching siang thek lo adun thu bang ke Jobaya Montri wangji la pen adun thu bang ke la son hello pir thelong avura krem thurji la haita nang che kok bom lo la pen chikli thepi doji lang thepi doji la tanang che kok bom lo la pen sonok thaksi la hin chalang selerji kaching hon seroi la hai nang jum hekji lahai si ni tum che than lo la pen ki jut si ge la hen lo Christian to phan ke persecution mate jisu amen pen ka chenek phunang ji sini tum kache than la pahen lo ili tum Kristo phane kroi tuman ke kisum kache chagia phan chi sik nangi ili ning arlo la pen ki jut si la lo per thet adang sita birta ke me cetak peji asinon amat kache tak te ajat angbong munit tangbong kom tang lo jum tang lo
dak Lampung Baptist Church along itu conference bang bipon lo dak karjonga an tame itu panang bipon lo apena sonta taksi jongsi ilitum arnama kam tame claim ji ba kapek asai smi tum claimi prote e oga phanta chelang poni nasi aso seki tame alomso pilote itum kota ini an bak pangai itum aso seki tame tum GP honji doktor long ya nutin tame dam ni si hemalong doko kenda koso si itum penang anake so ke chiri thegima ba koso si chelana po thegima aso seki alomso ya port tame itum chithan ponji senilihin
so ko ni ke thangna ke digdara bi bosa
nona mage pulo kisu pian mangge theklong mon pelang tela kisu ringa thak kisu apokesu lai bangedu.
The Karbi Anglong Baptist Fellowship is the body comprised of independent Baptist churches, which comprise of 8 churches and other church branches from Dipu, Manja, Longnit, Artem Langso, and Neilalu. Nilip VDC Timothy Teron and social worker James Hanse also attended the conference, during which missionary Matthew Rongpi also presented gospel songs. The 40th annual conference was concluded on Sunday evening with gospel meeting, during which local youth department and other participating churches. Sonjit Crow's report, Chokihala, Karbi Anglong Live. In news coming in from Hawarkehat, the Hauraghat Large-Size Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society Limited on Sunday distributed ration cards to the beneficiaries of the area. The ration cards were distributed by Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM in charge of Medical, Khonsing Rongpi. The ration cards distribution program was held at the Hauraghat Large-Size Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited office at 10 a.m. Apart from KAC Medical EM Khonsing Rongpi, the program was attended by HMB Chairman Protap Handit, Ward Commissioner Monit Kaklari, Mojadar Phukan Kro, LEMS Chairman Muniram Kro, Secretary Ransina Tokbi, and several members of the society. Later speaking to local media, LEMS Secretary Ransina Tokbi informed that new ration cards were distributed to 20 beneficiaries as several changes have been made and the pages in the old cards have exhausted. In addition to this, he informed that there are about 1,200 card holders under the Hauraghat Large-Size Multipurpose Cooperative Society Limited.
Hauraghat Cooperative Society, the Hauraghat LEMS, and ration card nona ki newly printed ration card ini penjualan pangpeng pono. So ration card aki new printed ko ba abana hala abana ration card tumhan mangsi la so ration card ko pipi chulo. Akhirnya hala so abana ration card long kisah kita badinda beda lo ba banda ban ulo. Kemudian government aki mikapel government orang lo kasih non government itu jadi sosial dan nona ki ration card pipi. Jadi ini dari pangpeng pono itu litung dat litung la ration card kero na long manteng itu honorable VM Health and Family Welfare, I control kita dan strong itu, lapan ini tu mendak Hauraghat Municipal Board Chairman, atau hai strong itu lapan ini tu LEMS Hauraghat LEMS nama Chairman, Muniram Kro hai, lapan ini mendak members itu, lapan beneficiary itu ada lo kali Setan semua dah lapan ini tu mendak lapan kalau kita tangkeng pun itu, lapan kita bisa sambil itu ini semua pun bom atau tangkeng.
Nanti pilih nanti tuh bang su kan, nanti bang si kan pansi karton pun
ini kira itu bang koi, panduan pun itu beneficiary, bang pun itu kalau si sulon tu ron pun nih lah pergi tangkeng pun bom pun.
Kelas lensandar lah bang faido dah.
Beneficiary kita Hauraghat LEMS anda 1,200 something. Kalau bang Farukri, atau bang Farukri nya mau dan turun pun orang sudah cepat tahu deh.
Ini kan
penting pun itu. Nanti bilang hari itu turun pun bom.
Harsing Rongpi's report, Hawarkehat for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.